Hi guys, we are going to talk about lesson 18.8, which is also related to percents, but specifically on sales tax and discount. Now we just gotta be aware of the meanings of these two terms. Remember, a tax is a payment to the government, so it's always going to be an extra amount of money, and discount is always going to be an amount of money you get to subtract from the total price. So just keep that in mind. We add whenever we have a tax, and we subtract whenever we have a discount. Now the key word for discount is off, right? O-F-F. And if we want to think about the total price of any item, just think about price plus the tax or price minus the discount. I will work with you on a couple of exercises. Lesson, since all the exercises are actually separated into finding the tax or the discount, you only have to actually apply these options over here, right? And that's it. But from problem 29 and on, you might find exercises like this where you actually have to do both. So I'm gonna do one of those exercises with you for you to be able to work it out. First thing you gotta do is to get 20% off $40. Now this is pretty simple to do. I can do it with mental math. I know 10% of 40 is actually 4. So I know 20% is gonna be 8, right? So what I'm gonna do now is that I take the $40 and I subtract the $8, which is this part over here. And that is gonna be $42, okay? Now, sorry, not 42, 32. Now I need to get the 5% tax. So I gotta get the 5% for $32. How am I gonna do that? Well, I can use a proportion, right? Or you can use mental math if it is good for you. I mean, if you're good enough not to use the proportion all the time. So I know I have to use 5 over 100. It's gonna be what quantity out of 32, right? And so this is gonna be 5 times 32. This is 100 equals X. And I know this is gonna be 150, 160. Over 100, that's gonna be X. And we actually, now we need to move the decimal point. So this is gonna be X equals 1.6. Right? So we know that the 5% tax is going to be 5% of $32 is actually 1.6. So now that we have those $32, we're going to add 32 plus 1.6. And that's going to get us into 33.6. So that's pretty much the way you do it. You get the discount first, then you find the percent you need to work with. So get the discount, subtract it, right? So this is the first step, get the discount, percent, then subtract it. Then you find the percent, the tax percent, and then you add that amount. Okay, so your total here is going to be 33.6. So I want to work with you on problem 37. It says Tim has a coupon for $5 off a model airplane. How much will he pay for a $46 model airplane plus tax in Illinois? Of course, we got to use the chart with the taxes they have there. We need to get all the information we have available in the problem. A coupon for $5 off. Now, this is a little bit redundant because the word coupon always is going to tell us about a discount. But that's the way they say it. Now, the model airplane price is actually $46, and that's the base we're going to work with. And the tax in Illinois is 6.25%. What I'm going to do here now is, first I'm going to take care of the coupon. So I'm going to take 46 minus $5, that's going to be $41, okay? Then I want to get the tax. So what I can do, since it is a percent, and we probably know by now it's way too easy to do, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take 41. This is a different process, guys. I'm going to convert this tax a percent into decimal. So that is 0.0625. And I'm just going to multiply it. Now, can I do the proportion? Sure you can. Can I work with the the decimal? Also you can do it, okay? Either way is fine. You're gonna get the same answer. This is just probably a little bit faster. But it's all about the way you see it, all right? Now, what I see here, it's actually $2.56.25. Now remember, we have money though, so we cannot have so many decimal places. We need to round it to only 2 decimal places. So we know we're talking about $2.56. All right? And we're just gonna add that. So we take the $41 and we add it with $2.56, which makes it a total amount of $43.56. And so this, what Tim has to pay. Where? In Illinois. Okay? It really is not difficult, but just be careful about when to add and when to subtract. And when it is both, do first the discount and then the tax, okay? That's it. I'll see you to begin chapter 19 with you guys later.